During this lockdown, everyone's trying new recipes and having their food fantasies fulfilled, but also getting those extra layers of fat at the same time. Well, don't worry guys, that Indian fasting guy is here to save you all from the crisis of increasing waist size and make you slim and trim by the time your college school reopens. So how are you guys? That Indian fasting guy is here with another video. In these beginner series videos, I will tell you how to achieve mastery in intermittent fasting and how will you be able to sustain it. So don't skip it and watch it till the end. We all have tried some sort of diet plan. We follow it for a while, then we lose interest. Or take those fat burners, which are not at all good for your stomach. Well, intermittent fasting is not a diet, it's a lifestyle, which is quite easy to achieve. Well, there are two easy steps. First is the 12:12 method. Most of us can do this very easily, but for people who eat for 14 hours or more, yes, I'm also counting drinking tea as a meal. It needs a little bit of willpower. For all of you to understand it easily, I will be taking your wake up time as 6 am. Suppose you wake up at 8 am and have your first meal by 9 am. Then, throughout the day, you will be having several meals till 11 pm. So, your fasting window is of 10 hours and your eating window is of 14 hours. Now, what you have to do is quite simple. For the next 2 days, that is, on Monday, eat your first meal by 10 am and on Tuesday, eat by 11 am. You can also start cutting your eating window from the back, that is, to eat your last meal by 9 pm. Again, the time used by me, that is, from 9 am to 9 pm, is just for your reference. You can adjust your eating window according to your own schedule. Meanwhile, if you are enjoying the content, please watch my intermittent fasting and autophagy video and my quarantine water fast video. And if you find my videos informative and interesting, a subscription would be amazing. As you have learned 12:12 method, now it's time for us to take it to the next level, that is 16:8. You can achieve this level of intermittent fasting by following a technique used by me, that is the half an hour rule. Taking again the reference time of 9 am to 9 pm achieved during the 12:12 method, we will start pushing the window. But this time we will not push it for 1 hour. We will start pushing it by 30 minutes each day. On Wednesday, 9:30 am, Thursday, 10 am, on Friday, 10:30 am, and so on and so forth until and unless we reach our 16-hour fasting window. Now again, the time used by me is just for your reference, and you can cut your eating window from the back too, or mix it up according to your own schedule. The ultimate goal is to reach 16 hours of fasting window. So that was easy guys, but now you have to just remember two things. First, it's quite easy to have all your meals in 8 hours, reaching to the 16-hour fasting window step by step in just 10 days. Now, second, it's easy, but don't just jump onto the 16-hour fasting window as soon as you stop watching this video. Give your body some time to adapt to the changes occurring. Again, new videos coming every Monday and Thursday. Till then, be safe, be happy, and happy fasting, guys!